Hi everyone, Juffy here. Today I'm going to be redrawing a panel from a comic that I drew a while back, specifically the third panel. I started out by layering a box and roughly sketching out the forms of Rafiki and Simba so that I know where I'm going to be placing them in the picture. After the basic sketch is done, I am now currently outlining the characters with a 0.2 fine liner. Next step is to start colouring. I'm using alcohol-based markers. So the colouring scheme here is interesting because the scene is nighttime, which means that the normal colours used for Simba and Rafiki needs to be a bit darker than what they would appear if it was a daytime scene. Colouring the night sky was a bit of a challenge, and you'll see me continually going back to that part of the picture throughout this video. And the reason for that is the lighter blue patch of the sky against the darker parts of it, and getting that balance right was, yeah, a bit challenging. So you'll see that I have shaded in Simba and Rafiki and also the rock, and I'm also going to be adding some stars. You see me going back to add more small detail to the drawing, which it's a bit hard to tell from this video, but they're sort of the little things that brings the picture to life. I'm putting in the border here now to make it look more like a comic panel. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.